Hello friends, today I am going to unbox Paper Plane Design 40 printed mousepad. I had brought it from Amazon.in. As you can see, it is packed in hard cardboard casing so that the contents may not leak out, and it is tightly sealed from all sides. And here you can see it is written Amazon. It is sent by Amazon.in, and here you can see the packing. There is a barcode and the QR code, and now I am going to repeat open. As you can see, and I had purchased 5 mouse pads. The MRP of each mouse pad is rupees 899 INR each, but I got an Amazon deal and brought the mouse pads for rupees 499. As you can see, I am cutting it through. It is very tightly sealed, and here as you can see the contents will be out soon, and it is also very firmly sealed, and the cardboard is recyclable. And now I am cutting it from the top side, as you can see, and here you can see the barcode and the QR code, and here as you can see the product will be out soon. And here as you can see it is almost done, a little bit more to go, and the product will be out, as you can see, and here it is out, and a little bit more I am cutting the sides, and here it is almost done, as you can see. And these are the mouse pads. I had purchased 5 mouse pads, nothing more inside the box. I had kept it aside, and here you can see the mouse pads are also packed in thin polythene. And here I have taken out the bill, and this is the bill. It is sent by Amazon. Here you can see the bill. It is written Amazon.in, and here this is the bill. As you can see, I had kept it aside, and this is the thank you cover letter for purchasing the mouse pad, as you can see, and it is written thank you for purchasing the product, and there are other details. And these are the designer mouse pads. It is plain paper design 40 printed mouse pads, very nice and very stylish. And here you can see it is very beautiful. The stylish mousepad will make your PC or laptop the center of attraction. This mousepad is known for its durability and quality, as you can see, with high degree of color accuracy. As you can see, this is the back side of the mousepad. The mousepad offers excellent control and smooth gliding for enhanced precision, and it can accommodate any type of mouse. It has a steady 3 mm rubberized base which keeps it secure and firm in its place. The mousepad effectively grips any flat, hard tabletop surface. It is made of high quality rubber with anti-skid features. It has a height of 18 cm and a width of 22 cm. It makes your workplace a better and more productive place to work with. And the design 40 printed mouse pads are very good and very nice. It is an excellent choice for developers, graphic designers, or anyone who uses the mouse for longer sessions at a go. The product is made with utmost care and is very durable. The bottom surface is made of naturally processed rubber and provides flexibility to adapt to different desktop. As you can see, this is my mouse, and now I am going to use it, and here as you can see I am moving it, and it is very smooth and very nice. As you can see, the bottom surface is made of naturally processed rubber and it provides flexibility to adapt to different surfaces. And here as you can see, and this is the mouse pad, and it is very nice and very comfortable, and it is very good. And here you can see this is my mouse, and these are the designer mouse pads. I had brought 5 such mouse pads, and these are very nice and very excellent. The design 40 mouse pad features a smooth and high quality cloth surface which provides effortless snag free gliding of the mouse. The best part of the mouse pad is that they are so comfortable and so soft that you can precisely use them, and it is also very lightweight and durable, and it stands up to years of use. Thank you for watching my video. Bye bye.